Hi friends, in this section we will see how to add cache in the TAW system. In through surveillance, if first there is a page under client administration, add ad hoc cache. Here I have to select client code. As I had selected this client, then the segment map to the client and which type of margin I want to add for the client. There are four options. The additional shares means it is considered as ad hoc. Actual ad hoc is a ad hoc, and this is CNC limit. This is used for derivative, and this check receipt is considered as a ledger. So mainly the two types, ad hoc and ledger, these are used for the margin. These two type of margin used in TAW system. So for check receipt, ledger will be provided. Additional shares and actual ad hoc, these will provide ad hoc cash to the client. Suppose if I am adding this check received here, I have added 500 rupees. So it will display as a ledger balance in our system. And if I am adding this actual ad hoc, this is considered as a ad hoc added in the system, and the total cash is so. And according to the customer's requirement, different types of caches margins are used for order placement for the different derivative or equity or different according to the different trading account. Another option is there. I can go to add modify client. There I have to select this checkbox for the modify mode, and either modify cache, and here I have to select the client. I am using the same client, and I have to select the segment. Now from here I want to increase or decrease the cache. If I adding this 500, it will add it into the system, and client received 500 rupees. He wants to decrease the cache, then minus, no, just select the decrement radio button, and 26, it will decrease the margin. So the cache has been decreased. The same way, if I am coming to the power admin, I have to select the client, demo 4, just tab, select the segment, and you need to add the cache. If I have to add the cache 28, press enter, the cache is added to the system. If I want, suppose if I want to replace, this is again this cache is the ledger balance. It is coming into the ledger balance section. That I had added 28 rupees as ledger balance. If I want to replace this complete with 2. So I have select this checkbox, and if I am to enter, the complete cache is reduced to 2, replaced by 2. Suppose I want to add more into that. Now this 28 plus 2 is 30. The same way for ad hoc and additionals, the action can be performed and cache will be added to the client. The same cache can be given to the client through file upload also, which is as AMR file. So this AMR file is created by the user through back office. The basic fields are there, and those basic check the same check from our BO office back office file format document, and from there I can, if I am searching this AMR, here The complete detail required for an AMR file is given, that what type of values it will accept, and this AMR file will be uploaded to the system admin utility or through the health dashboard application. So this is the basic idea how to add cache into the system ledger or uh, ad hoc cache. And other types of caches are there that are depend upon the configuration and the during the order routing, like BPL and other things. Those are configuration based, that it will be added into your cache or not. So this is the basic idea how to add cache into the system, actual ad hoc and ledger balance.